Hey, go bring all the money into this house.
Why are you shouting now? Just calm down. Here is an estate.
Come on, who are you to tell me not to shout? Are you okay? Don't tell me how to do my job. Go and get me all the money in this house.
Money, right? I have some money here. Don't worry, I'll give you some money. Just relax. I'll give you money. Okay? Don't shout. Here is an estate.
You think say they white?
Just calm down.
Hallelujah.
Mama, don't dey cooperate over these days. Oh, you give me the money like that.
What can we do now? You're doing your job. We have to cooperate.
He shock you.
See, oh, no stress. Oh, I've not even shot anything. What's this smell here? Yes, it's smelling nice. What's going on here?
I'm cooking.
What are you cooking?
It's pepper soup. Oh.
It smells like jollof rice. Oh.
It's because I'm boiling rice and I'm also cooking pepper soup. So do you care for sir?
That one will you ask for it too? No, don't worry. I have to stay. I'm not going anywhere. Okay? This place is the first place I'm coming to Robbery. I have time.
Just sit down. Feel at home, man.
I should feel at home. Where would I keep this gun? No. You have a nice place. Oh.
Thank you. It's the Lord's doing. And it's marvelous in our eyes.
You have a lot of books, so Charlie, you the jack.
Still the Lord's doing.
Do you have any book on how to rob a bank?
Hallelujah.
I rob a bank. No, no. That's the books that you are seeing there. That's the only books I have. Okay, so can I bring the food now?
No, sure, I can bring the food now.
Just feel at home, man.
If people are doing this way, I don't think we'll have any problems with anybody. Charlie. Thank you.
Just enjoy yourself, okay?
Help me hold my gun and my eat.
Jesus!
How do you wear?
Jesus!
Apostle, is this a real gun?
Go ask your grandfather.
Who get money to buy a real gun these days? You know this is be fake.
Some of you are just evil.
No, it looks like a real gun to me.
Even if I finish this food, I don't give me money. It's fine.
It's nice. I wish so, but no problem. If you want the money is there. I will give it to you, okay? Enjoy yourself. Take your time.
Oh, Charlie, I finished it. Take this one, go put for takeaway for me. I'll carry it out.
I hope you enjoyed that Robbery video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.